I know a lot of women in our situation have been told that they can't do this without a man, you can't do this with me, you're never going to be able to work. A lot of women have never worked, and I'm here to tell you that you can do this. You can do this for yourself. It just takes little steps over time.
And so many times in abusive relationships, women have been financially isolated, right? And so they don't have control over the finances or the money. They don't have the ability to earn. So they think once they leave a marriage or an abusive relationship, they don't know how to invest in their future. They don't know if it's possible to be able to put away for retirement or to put away for their financial future. So we're here to talk about some of those things today. How do you overcome after leaving an abusive relationship with financial authority? And your story is so powerful, and I know you've created something really practical that can help women who feel overwhelmed or afraid to make financial moves after separation or abuse, and you call them 5 safe money moves. So 5 safe money moves. So let's walk through them together, because I think so many of our viewers will find peace and clarity in these steps. What's your number 1 safe money move?
I think the thing that's most important is to really just take a step back and to pause and to breathe and just allow yourself to know that everything is going to be okay. You don't have to have everything figured out at the moment. Just take a step back and breathe.